Arizona can be a kind of strange place. There's also a law there that says racial profiling is okay. If somebody looks like they're an illegal immigrant, pull them over and check. And they're also the only state that said we will not celebrate Martin Luther King Day. Chris Rock kind of nailed that one on the head when he said, "How racist do you have to be to turn down a day off from work just because it's honoring a man who happens to be black?" But it's not just Arizona. Even though our Constitution charges the Supreme Court with protecting minorities from the tyranny of the majority, in just those terms, we can see many examples where that hasn't happened. Even Minnesota, home of good Scandinavian Lutherans, is projected to have a white minority population after 2040. Maybe when white people are the minority, the importance of protecting minorities from the tyranny of the majority will be more important to everybody.